Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. So here is the video result of this video before I made the 5 changes. So this is the video result after those 5 changes. Hello, my name is Wasay, and in this video I am going to tell you about the 5 changes that you can do on your YouTube videos to make them look better. As you saw on the intro, the first video, and now this video. So there is a huge amount of difference in quality as well as other things on the video, so I'm going to explain all those 5 things. The first thing is your camera, the second is your camera lens, the third is microphone, the fourth is your lighting, and the fifth one are some just extra things. So let's talk about them one by one. So first of all, let's talk about the camera. So if you're recording on a phone and if you're recording on a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, then there will be a huge difference in quality, because if you look at your mobile phones, you can see that its sensor size is really small, whereas on your DSLR or on your mirrorless cameras the size is about this much. So this much size sensor can capture more video as compared to your small size sensor. So that's why don't think that your phone can make better picture than your DSLR. But if you're a starter then and you don't have the budget, then I'm not discouraging you to stop making videos. If you have a phone, whatever you have, you know what they say, the best camera that you have is in your pocket. So for outdoors you can use your mobile phone, but for regular videos I would recommend that a DSLR is much better, because the features that a DSLR or a mirrorless provides, a simple mobile camera cannot provide them. But it doesn't mean that you don't make videos. You can still make fantastic videos from your mobile phones as well. So currently I am using a DSLR and I have set the settings according to my scenario, the lighting. If you want me to make a video on that, you can tell me in the comment section below and I will try to make a video. So the second thing is your DSLR lens, and the lens is more important than your DSLR body, because glass is more important than your body. So currently I am using the Canon 50mm STM f1.8 lens. The reason I'm using f1.8 because it is fantastic in low light, because the room isn't that much bright as you can see in the video. As I'm using the f1.8, so it's capturing a lot of light, and that's why I am going to have less noise in my videos and a better quality. Also, the main reason for the 50mm is that you can see a bokeh. I'm in focus and my background is really blurred out, and this makes the video quality more beautiful. So that is one reason. You can buy any lens you like, but I'm currently using the 50mm STM 1.8. And now let's talk about the third thing. The third thing is your microphone, because if you are going to explain something in your video, then your audio matters a lot, as well as your video quality. Because if your audience can see what you are doing, but if they can't hear you, then it doesn't make any sense, right? Because they can see it but they don't know what you're trying to explain. So investing on a microphone is a must. Either you have a DSLR or a simple mobile phone, investing on a microphone is must. For now I'm using the Boya BY-M1 microphone. It's a really cheap microphone, but it's working very well. Oh, and one thing I forgot, whichever DSLR you buy, try to go for that one which has a microphone jack on it, because DSLRs on mic aren't very well. So buying a DSLR with a microphone jack, as you can hear the audio, it's not very well. I mean, you can still hear me, but the audio quality is not the greatest audio quality. So let's talk about the fourth thing, that is the most important thing, and that is lighting. So you can see I have made lighting setup for my video. I mean, you can see that half of my face is light enough, whereas half of my is dark. So there are different things and different formations you can do on lighting. You can just go and search on YouTube and find different ways to light up your face or your studio. I searched on YouTube and found that the best way for mine was this, because I'm going to make explanatory videos and I also like this mood as well. And for the lighting, I'm just going to tell you, I'm just having 2 lights. One is my main light, that is the key light. It is on about 45 degrees from the camera on my right side. It's throwing light on the wall, and the wall is throwing soft light back on me. And another light I have on my top is there. The soft light is throwing light on my head, and here it's actually a spotlight. So In this way I'm getting a little bit more discriminating from the wall and myself, you can easily tell. So you can use 3-point lighting as well, in which you have a fill light on the left side to just fill up this dark area as well, but I didn't like that, so I didn't did that. Anyways, there are a lot of ways, but lighting is very important. You can just go on YouTube and type 3-point lighting setup and you will see the lighting setup in detail. So the last and the final thing are the extras. These are not important, but you can do. So in the extras I'm just saying, like if you see my background, there are a little up, I mean I have my laptop on the right side and some fairy lights on the back wall as well. So this is making more mood on, that's why I'm calling them extras. You can add them or not, it's your own choice, but adding them on the website makes you on your YouTube video, makes your YouTube video more pop up and more attracting, I would say. I'm thinking that this wall over the top of the laptop is empty. I'm thinking to hang a picture on that. Anyways guys, these are the 5 things that you can put on your YouTube videos to make them look better. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please give my video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and thank you for watching my video. See you guys in the next one.